Hello and welcome to another episode of Nutmeg Notes by Tejali. Today I'm going to share a dry coconut chutney. It is coconut and garlic chutney. It's a great condiment to have on your dining table. It goes really well with millet breads or even your plain dal and rice. It can be stored in your fridge for almost a month. It's a very simple recipe but really very tasty. So let's get started. Hi, I'm back with the ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of dry coconut. I have grated it and I have lightly roasted it. No oil is required since coconut has its own oil. Then I have about 1/4 cup of peanuts. I have roasted them and removed the skin. I have a little bit of salt. You can use it as per your taste. I have 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. I'm not fond of very spicy food, so I have taken 2 teaspoons just for the color, because the color just is so wonderful with Kashmiri chili. But if you like your chutney to be spicy, you can use 2 teaspoons of your spicy variety. I have taken about 7 cloves of garlic and little bit of jaggery and little bit dry mango powder. I'm going to balance the mango powder with the jaggery. This chutney is not particularly sweet. I'm just trying to balance all the flavors and going to bring it all together. So let's get started. Hi, so I'm going to add all these ingredients into the mixie. Is pulsing maybe 3 or 4 times. That's it. So I haven't added any water to this mixture, but still it is a little moist because of the garlic, the coconut and the peanuts coming together. This can be stored in an airtight container into the fridge, and it will last you for a good 1 month. So let's just transfer it into a bowl and I'll see you shortly. So our coconut and garlic chutney is ready. It goes really well with the millet bhakris and a dollop of ghee. Do give it a try. It's a simple recipe and you can store this in the fridge for a long time. Please like, follow and subscribe to our Nutmeg Notes YouTube channel. See you next week. Bye-bye.